After signing up for Seller Ledger with an email and password, you'll be taken to a page where you can connect your accounts. Simply select the eBay button and click to connect. You'll be taken to an eBay login screen, which grants permission for Seller Ledger to pull your latest sales information each day. On the Seller Ledger dashboard, you'll view your eBay transactions instantly importing. We will import up to 90 days of transaction history immediately, and will automatically import any new transactions each day going forward. Once the data has finished importing, click into the account balance to see all of the transactions that make up this number. Orders tend to be counted as income, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Click Expand to see order details, and you'll find that the items sold and the shipping you collected are positive numbers that have been put in the proper income categories, while the final value fees are negative and have been put in an expense category. Seller Ledger knows exactly how to treat all these details, as well as things like ad fees, shipping labels you've purchased, and any refunds that have been deducted from your eBay account. Lastly, you will see your eBay payouts, which don't count as either income or expense because it's just moving money from your eBay account to your bank account. Seller Ledger automatically classifies all these different eBay transactions correctly, saving you lots of time.